The AJ and SJ precision balances are high-performance top loaders equipped with a tuning fork sensor. The AJ and SJ are very well constructed with a focus on durability, longevity, and flexibility to ensure repeatable results after extended use. Let's begin with the heart of the balance. Inside the top loading balance is the tuning fork sensor, a sophisticated weighing mechanism that offers many advantages. Normally, high precision balances can take over an hour to warm up and reach optimal performance. This is not the case with the tuning fork sensor. The tuning fork sensor is extremely stable and is unaffected by temperature during balance warm-up, meaning the AJ will provide its maximum performance and minimal drift within minutes of turning on. The tuning fork sensor is also incredibly resilient to shock and overloading, and is surrounded by a die-cast aluminum frame, further protecting the sensor while maintaining a relatively light weight. The ViBRA top loading range comes in 3 base models. The lightweight SJ with a 5.5-inch stainless steel platter, the AJ Centigram series with a 7.1 by 6.3-inch platter, and the AJ Milligram series with a 4.65-inch stainless steel platter encased by an anti-static draft shield. Each model has adjustable feet and a spirit level for leveling. The buttons are programmed and labeled for intuitive use. The AJ and SJ are NTEP legal for trade scales. This means these balances are great for jewelry, gold, pharmaceutical compounding, as well as laboratory use. These specific models are NTEP approved. All ViBRA units come with downloadable wedge software. When the balance is connected to the computer via serial RS-232, the software will transfer the data to the text entry software of your choice. It functions as if typing the weighing data directly through your keyboard. The AJ and SJ are designed to fulfill many laboratory applications with features such as percent weighing, density, parts counting, accumulation, check weighing, below balance weighing, and direct to Windows via serial RS-232. For further portability, the AJ and SJ can come with an optional rechargeable battery. The AJ can also be equipped with a remote display. Lightweight, portable, and extremely resilient, the AJ and SJ precision balances are great top loaders for laboratory and industrial settings that require a flexible workflow and fast results.